Stage 3 is techno-economic analysis. In this stage, technical and economic viability analysis of product is conducted for getting initial understanding of product production feasibility. This stage helps in estimating the initial cost of technology. Stage 4 is investment confirmation. In this stage, the researcher confirms the availability of investment for the technology at research and development stage and final commercial production stage. This confirmation encourages researchers to move towards the next stages of experimentation and development. Stage 5 is a stage of initial research. The initial smart research is essential to decide about the fate of technology projects. This stage may lead to exits in project by finding possibility of achieving targeted specification and cost. Stage 6 is funding support. At this stage, researcher tries to generate funding resources for the technology from state, own institution and development agency resources. Industry investment is not advisable at this high risk, high uncertainty stage. Stage 7 is confirmation by end user and investor. The technology must be developed in close coordination with two partners as user industry and investor industry. The confirmation of both parties at this lab scale is must to plan for piloting. Stage 8 is lab level development. After initial research and confirmation of investor and end user, the lab work and experimentation need to start. The commercial grade ingredients must be used for commercial technology at lab level. The standard compliance and counter products comparison need to be made along with some cost estimation.